My name is Natalie. I've been in the beauty industry for about 27 years. I own my salon and spa for 15 out of the 27 in Boston, Massachusetts. I had a lot of clients for thinning hair. That was my specialty. So I always try to look for stuff that will help them see their hair thicker and fuller faster. And that was it took us a long time to find that product. And when I came across PepFactor and the ingredient that helps those clients see a faster, better result and not as painful and not as expensive, it just made me look more into it, and I was very interested to see the result and how fast and not as painful as most people expect. And the recovery time is much better than normal hair treatments and faster.
And where did you hear about the PepFactor scalp treatment from?
I saw an ad on Facebook, and then I reached out to a couple of the distributors, and I came to their spa and I talked to them, and I saw a couple of treatments. I was very impressed of the way it's done and how fast it's done, and then the result that the patients get from that. Well, we're very excited to share the PepFactor technology and the ingredients about it, just to show them how fast and how potent and how great the result is in a very short time.